Come with us to a vegan cooking class in Hoi An because I've never been to a cooking class, and in fact I'm actually a really shy cook. But like, and what do you think you should season this with? And I'll say salt, earth, wind and fire. But we've just arrived early. Would you believe it? It's gonna be well fun. Having a good time.
Miss Pancake. Miss Vietnamese Pancake.
Good one. We just made the most ungodly amount of food ever. Look at all this food. I'm never gonna eat all this. This is amazing. Amazing.
Chickpea Eatery. We cook together, okay?
It's like one of the best experiences ever, wasn't it? And then at the end, oh, the woman was like, symbol of our friendship, my sister has made everybody chick, like keychain, fluffy, like teddies. We were just like, what? She was like, it's a symbol of our friendship. Even if you're not vegan, just go anyway, because I'm not vegan and I went, and it was amazing. If you're ever in Hoi An and you want something to do in the afternoon, we highly recommend the Chickpea Eatery. Just 10 out of 10.